Okay, so with the help of this website right now over here, I'm going to show you another website that you can use to make money online plus this website. So this website is known as Google Trends. You can see the name written over here, that Google Trends. So now what can you do to make money online with this platform? All you need to do is to go to another website called DeepSeek right now, and then you go to Google Trends, go there and then search for trending now. So what are the topics that are trending in your society or locality right now? So let's go to this section. So what are the topics that are trending in your locality right now? All right, so after hitting on that, you can change the location to your own location, and yours is going to show your country over here, wherever you're watching me from. You can leave that in the comment section so that whenever I'm recording a new video, I'll do a research and then bring up to you the apps that works in your locality. So you can see over here it says Ghana, and when I go to the last 24 hours, I will leave it untouched and go to the category. So I will just choose entertainment, just because I love entertainment and people love the trending news from entertainment source. So all you need to do is to set entertainment, and you can see the topic that is trending right now is Tiwa Savage. So I'll just hit on that and then choose any of these blog post over here or the website right now, or you can choose it right now over here by searching for it and then see the topics that are trending about Tiwa Savage. So what you need to do is to copy any of the articles. So let me close this and then choose any of the website that talks about her. So right now you can see the first website that talks about is von.gov.ng. So I think this is a Nigerian website, and they have an article about Tiwa Savage. So what you need to do is to copy any of the articles right now over here and go to DeepSeek and rewrite them. So I'll just copy it like this. Just copy. Some of them do not allow right click on their website. So I will just copy from here to toe right now, and then just go to I'll just copy and go to DeepSeek, and I'll ask DeepSeek to rewrite this article. Okay, so I've written rewrite this article. I'll just paste it over here and I'll just hit on that to allow it to do its work. So within some few seconds, DeepSeek is going to write everything for us. So the DeepSeek is going to rewrite the article that we pasted for it to for us to go and publish on our next website. So right after doing that on your website, all you need to do is to go to the next website that I'm going to do to you guys. So ladies and gentlemen, I just welcome you to free buys website. So on this website, the sign up process is very easy. So I can just hit on the two sign up process buttons over here. So I'll just hit on this, and then it's going to take you to the sign up process. The sign up process is very simple. All you need to do is to type in your name, your first name, last name, email address over here, phone number, select your country, and then the countries, I think all the countries are available over here. So you just have to choose. It works worldwide. So all you need to do is to go to the settings and type in your password. I already have an account, so I'm not going to sign up again. I'll just log into my own account and then hit on sign in right after creating your account. So let's wait for it to load. Once it's loading, I'll welcome you to my website YouTube channel. All you need to do is to subscribe, like the video, and then turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video like this, YouTube will send notifications telling that you do videos about how to make money online, anything related to making money online. So it's very easy for you to make money online with this channel. So without being said, let's get back to the website. So you can see this is the website. You can see right after signing up, you're going to land on a platform like this. Your dashboard is going to show 00 like what you see right now. Let me move this thing to the bottom section. You can see job done, referrals, and then cash is 0000. So all you need to do is to come to this section again, come to the wallet section, and you hit on withdraw over here, and let's check the withdrawal process available in your country. So the withdrawal process for Ghanaians are all the mobile networks over here. They accept that. So any website that allows you to withdraw in your local networks with your local networks, it's very easy for you to do withdrawal. So what you need to do again over here is to come to this section where it says post and earn. So the post and earn is what we are going to do right now. All you need to do is to type in your title, come to DeepSeek again, type in your title right now like this, copy your title, and then come to this section of the platform, and then you come to this section, paste the title right now by select your category by using entertainment, and you come to this section. You can add images like that, so you can just come to this section again, and let me copy this right now, copy, come back to the platform again and paste it right now. But before we go to that section, you can see over here it says they pay you up to $30 per every 1,000 unique views you post on groups. So it's very easy for you to make money with this. With 30 dollars for every 1,000 views that you make on this platform. So whenever you make 1,000 views, they're going to pay you 30 um dollars of that. So you just have to calculate that in your local currency, and you're going to see that you are going to make money for that, a very huge money and a very huge profit. So the tools that I'm using to correct the grammar spellings is Grammarly. So I will leave that in the description box. You can just hit on that and sign up to Grammarly, and they are going to help you sign up. They are going to help you make a lot of corrections whenever you are writing articles on a website. So what you need to do is to insert images. So you can just go back to the platform, select that, and then save the images like what you see right now. Or you can just take a screenshot of that, just save the images, come back to the platform like this, and then you just have to come just insert images in order to become let the topic becomes very attractive. So just hit on it as select images, and you come to this section, just select that, and then the image is going to load up onto the platform. Let's go to the bottom section to check. Okay, so let's check over here, select the image, right, and then I don't know what is wrong with it, so let's wait whether the image will pop up or not. But if not, you can just post this post on grooves. So I just hit on post on groove, and right after doing that, my post will be live on their platform. So you can see per every 1,000 views you are going to make um $30 for that. So per every 1,000 views you're going to make $30 for that. So what you need to do right after doing this, you can share the link through all the social media networks over here, and with the share buttons that are available over here, and you can make another post each and every day, and this method works worldwide, so you don't have to struggle or stress yourself in signing up the process. So right after doing that, all you need to do is to come to this section where it says wallet, and then you just have to come to withdraw, request withdrawal, and you can see all the withdrawal you've made on this website right over here. And you can come to this section again. This platform is a very multi purpose or multi-stream platform. You can come to this section again and come to this section where it says jobs, and then come to this section where it says available jobs, and just wait for you to load. So once it's loading, take this advantage, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon. So what you need to do right after doing, click on that, you can see over here the jobs are available. Some micro working jobs are available over here. So if you know Sprout gigs and micro workers, these jobs are similar to micro workers and Sprout gigs jobs. So these ones pay you in your local currency. So you can see, let me go straight to the platform again. You can see this offer is paying you 50 pesos for doing that. So you can see, just join coin CSIO and CESIO.io airdrop with my link. So you just have to just airdrop that, use that link to airdrop whatever you want to do. The person is asking you, the person is asking of you, and you can make money with that. So you can see it was originally posted in Nigeria, and you can see this post, they have a lot of posts over here that you can also make money with it, and you can see they simply convert that from Nigeria to the Nigerian naira to local currency. So you can see over here this offer is paying you 1 CD 39 pesos for just download and install an app on your phone. So you can see the person has gotten 292 people to sign up to the offer that he's promoting over here, just to complete that tax for him. And no, this person is doing CPA marketing. So you can come to this section where it says next page, and there are a lot of offers available on this platform. So you can see there are a lot of, you just have to like YouTube video and subscribe to the channel, and you are going to make $11 11 cents over here. You can see sign up on the website, and you are going to make 1 CD 39 pesos over here. Just have to click on that, and you're going to do whatever the person is asking of you. So that is very simple. But one thing you can also do is to also post your jobs over here. If you're doing CPA marketing, you can also post your jobs over here, and if anybody completes an offer for you, you are going to also make money with your CPA platform that you are using. So that's all, guys. And if today be your first time, just subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop an amazing video like what you've watched right now, YouTube will send notifications. Standing, guys. See you in my next video. Stay safe, and then peace out.